drone pool here. So this is my latest build, 3-inch build. Man, this is kind of the pain just because of the small 20 by 20 stack. This is just a cheap frame, $20 frame I got off Amazon. These are the Tyro 79 motors. I gave all my other Tyro, the frame and components, gave them away to someone who had a Tyro 79. They could just use that stuff for, you know, parts or whatever, but I kept the motors. These motors are 1607 2800 kV motors, and I didn't know if these motors were going to be powerful enough. This thing, for a 3-inch, it feels heavy. I haven't weighed it. I got the Fox Air Micro Aero Pro for a camera. Got the Mamba 20 by 20 stack. I'm using a XM Plus receiver, and I have a Eachine TX801 VTX, and just got a Pagoda antenna. So let's just see what this frame is like. Okay, the frame, where's a good place for me to measure the frame? I got everything covered up. Okay, this says the frame, the bottom plate's 4 millimeters. So the top's probably 2 millimeters. It is. So the bottom plate's 4, which is good. And the top plate's 2 millimeters. So I got it all put together, got it all set up in Betaflight, got all my modes set with the TX, got it bound, got all the motors spinning the right direction, so it should be ready to test. Everything on the bench looks good, so I guess the only thing really left to do is to go out and give it a hover test and see how it does. So I guess let's go out to the front yard and see how she does. Alright, I can't think if there's anything else I wanted to say about this. I'm thinking. Not that I can think of. I will say this about this VTX. I've been using this VTX for a long time on other builds. And even before I got into the racing drones, when I'd put FPV on my Bugs 3 and Bug 6, the Eachine TX801 has been a very dependable VTX for me. Very dependable. I use it exclusively, except on my bind and flies that I already have one on there. So I just thought I'd throw that in there. And this frame I got off Amazon, like I said, is only a $20 frame. And I think it's probably pretty good value for a 4 millimeter bottom plate. So, alright, let's just go out and see if it'll hover. Alright, this is Drone Pool, signing out. Okay, Drone Pool here. I guess we'll go ahead and see if this thing will fly. Got my transmitter. I'm going to go ahead and record some DVR footage on this real quick while I got it in the air, just to kind of get an idea. So I hope it flies. See what happens. Where do I want to go? I'm afraid of. Hey, you need to hush when I'm doing this video. Hush. Hear me? Okay. says it's recording. Let's see for the alarm. Huh. Actually, it took off smoother than I thought, because it's kind of heavy. I thought it was heavy. Seems okay. Guess I'll do a little punch out. Oh yeah, not too bad. Get away from these trees a little bit, do another one. See, these are the, I told you before, these are the motors off the Tyro 79, so I didn't know how well they'd do. I didn't calibrate the accelerometer or the gyro yet. Just kind of wanted to see what it'd be like. Huh. Something just fell, it looked like. Alright, let me punch it. Not too shabby. Think I like it. One more punch out. Huh. Yeah, I think I like it. I thought I know something fall out of the bottom, like a screw or something. Let me see. Oh, yep. Dang, I'll never find it either. I don't know if you can see, but a screw fell out of the standoff right here. I'll have to go find another one. Yeah, it flew out over here somewhere. I'll never find it, but I'll put another screw in it. So yeah, she flew. I'll see what the DVR footage looks like. See if there's any noise in it. So, all right, guys. I appreciate you watching. I'll take this off. So yeah, she did all right. We'll see how she flies with the real flight. All right, I appreciate it. Drone Pool signing out.